Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Danby smart appliance connection with Wi-Fi app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Danby smart appliance is plugged in and turned on. Next, make sure that your smartphone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Locate and open the Danby Wi-Fi app on your device. If you haven't already, create an account or log in to access the app's features. In the app, tap on the Add Appliance option to start the connection process. Now, select the type of appliance you wish to connect from the list provided. Follow the on-screen prompts to put your appliance into pairing mode. For many models, this involves pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button until the indicator light starts flashing. Once your appliance is in pairing mode, return to the app and tap on Next. The app will begin searching for available devices. When your appliance appears on the list, select it to initiate the connection. If prompted, enter your Wi-Fi network password to establish a secure connection. Wait for the app to confirm that the appliance is successfully connected. Once connected, you can now monitor and control your appliance directly from the app. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your Wi-Fi signal is strong and try restarting both the appliance and your smartphone. You can also consult the user manual for specific troubleshooting tips related to your model. After following these steps, your Danby smart appliance should be restored successfully to the Wi-Fi app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.